this. It actually works. So yeah, it's super cool, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Keep watching, and I'm going to show you guys exactly to get this on your device. Hey guys, so today I'll show you how to get Yuzu on iPhone without computer or jailbreak. So as you can see, I got Yuzu right there. So when I open it up, I've got all the apps. Really cool stuff. So let's go into the settings, and as you can see, we have all these modded features like dual core, JIT. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get this emulator, and you can play like Mario and stuff. So it's really cool. So if this would interest you, keep watching the video, and I'm going to show you how to download it. So yeah, as you can see, guys, they have all the games on here: Pokemon, Splatoon, and Luigi's Mansion, of course. So let's download it. So the first thing we're going to do, guys, is go to the settings, and we're going to turn on the background app refresh. So with that out of the way, guys, we're going to head on down to tweakmod.com. So on this site, we're going to type in Yuzu, and as you can see, there it is. So go ahead and press install, and before it downloads, there is going to be a verification. So this is pretty easy. You just have to download 2 apps and follow the instructions. So that's how to get it for your device. So I hope you guys enjoy. But yeah, this is super cool. So yeah, that's how to get Yuzu for your device, guys, iOS and Android. So if this tutorial works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. It's super wild. So yeah, I mean, I've tried a lot of things, and I think this actually works. So it's pretty wild. So yeah, definitely go ahead and get the word out. So yeah, if you need to get Yuzu on your device, you can see at the end you have to do the verification. So you just have to download 2 of these apps. They're all free. There's a video to watch if you're confused, but like Family Islands has reached level 11, so that's pretty simple. And then we got like Travel Town, Lucky Match. So just make sure you do 2 of them, guys. You're gonna be good to go. That's how you use it for your device. So tweakmod.com, super insane, fully updated site, and there's lots of cool stuff to see on here. So yeah.